Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is an absolutely beautiful day, 19 degrees, sunny. I'm not the Geico lizard, and this is definitely not a Geico ad. This is On The Spot Exotics. It's absolutely beautiful out. So the cars are out, and I just wanted to mention a couple things before we get started. No crazy long intro. Like I said in the other video, my TV show is a go. We've already started filming. Nothing too serious yet, but I've already gotten like a bio done for it. So it's going to be a documentary, and then there will be a documentary released on that. Which brings me to my next point. I am looking for someone to be like a business partner. So when I start filming for this TV show, I want to keep my YouTube channel going, but it's going to be really hard to do when I'm filming this when I'm filming for the TV show. So I'm looking for someone to handle a few things. I still will do the filming and the editing, but maybe I'm looking for someone to handle the business side of things. So if you think you want to get involved with that, please do. Just know that when I started this, I always thought I was going to be doing everything by myself, but I watched a TJ Hunt video the other day where he said you just can't do it by yourself. And I would do it by myself if I didn't have the TV show coming up, so I will need someone to help me out. And one more thing before we go, like I mentioned before, I now have posters added to my merch. So t-shirts, hats, coffee mugs, and now posters. So go through the videos, find a car that you like, and I can make a poster out of that and add it to the merch. And so DM me in my Instagram, DM me and let me know. So it's a beautiful day, it's 19 degrees. I got a hangnail, my crutches just broke, but I don't care, it's too beautiful of a day. So let's get this going, you guys, cars are out. Look at that, you guys. They're two parrots or just one? They're both parrots. That's pretty cool, man. No way, a DeLorean! Nice, California. Oh, oh, so nice. Yes, it's a fawn, dude. What's up, brother? How you doing, man?
Great weather today.
Yeah, it looks great, by the way. I love the wrap, dude. Look at this. Oh. Oh. We know the owner of this Porsche. We got him at a... No, 612. ACR Viper. What? No way. guy well. Oh my God. Okay guys, taking a quick break, but look at this. 2 GT2R'S parked next. So I'm just taking a quick break. Got some footage of it. So we're gonna get back to my other spot so we can film it when it's leaving. It's been a pretty good day so far, seeing my favorite black and yellow SV. Saw a white Adnevtador. So many Ferraris again. So let's get this going. 2 GT2R'S parked next to each other. And so we'll go get them when they leave. Okay guys, check it out. Okay, GT2R'S number 1. Nice. Second GT2. Look at that rod. Oh my God. Whoa. Sick. Oh, God. This Bronco, you guys. And remember to thank your frontline workers. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Second pass. Yes. I love that 650S. Oh my God. Oh, 2 ACRs in one day. Nice. So many passes from the 650S. Nice. Okay, look at this. 650S. 458. Okay, have a good night, man. Okay, you guys, another banger vlog. How insane was that? Just hope you guys enjoyed that content. Just getting off the bus now. Here, let's wait here and press the doors. Thank you. Always thank your bus drivers, you guys. They're putting their lives at risk too, just like, you know, they're putting their lives at risk, just like all the other frontline workers. So always thank your bus drivers. Okay, guys, another banger vlog. I've never seen so many insane, like, Lambos and McLarens and Porsches on fast, you guys. If you want me to do more of like a vlog style channel, like doing like a daily vlog, once this whole crisis is over and I can get back to doing like 2 to 3 vlogs a week, I want to know if you guys want me to do like a Stradman or F-Spot style vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Please stay safe. I don't know what else to say other than farts really suck when there's no one around to enjoy it or hear it or smell it. No, I'm just joking, you guys. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank your TTC drivers and your bus drivers when you get off. And see you guys in the next video.